Every human undergoes a profound internal evolution known as the Great Metamorphosis, crossing a bridge controlled by invisible chemical messengers. A grand biological awakening violently reshapes every human between the ages of 10 and 19. Deep within the shadow of childhood, an invisible countdown ends. The brain triggers an unyielding biological alarm. Unseen chemical commandos swarm the bloodstream. Scientists call them hormones. They carry a ruthless genetic blueprint. They demand a complete cellular revolution. The era of adolescence has officially begun. The body enters a volatile crucible known as puberty. The mission is clear: achieve reproductive capability. The internal architecture rewrites itself completely. Visible changes erupt across the physical landscape. Secondary sexual characteristics forge a stark divergence. The physical change in body. Physical stature increases as the frame stretches toward maturity. The voice alters, finding a new resonance and depth. The external form adapts, signaling the transition from childhood. These traits serve as the visible milestones of growth, the outer armor of a maturing individual. Internally, complex biological systems come online for the first time, establishing a rhythmic foundation that will define the body's landscape for the coming decades. The internal tempest. The chemical shifts within the veins trigger a parallel journey within the mind. Emotional and behavioral evolution strikes like lightning. The mental landscape adapts. Perspectives shift and expand. New depths of feeling and empathy emerge. The essential search for individual identity begins. As the transformation continues, external challenges arise. Influences that could hinder development, such as harmful substances, threaten the integrity of the growing mind and body. To navigate these risks, the individual must rely on resilience and informed choices. Against the chaos, 3 essential shields of health are raised: nutritional balance to provide the energy required for rapid growth, consistent care to support the body's changing needs, active movement to focus energy and support physical well-being. No adolescent is meant to navigate the intense biological and emotional turbulence of puberty in isolation. Instead, by actively seeking out the support of trusted mentors, parents, and educators, they can transform a chaotic transition into a structured path of growth. This proactive guidance provides a critical map of understanding, reassuring young people that their sudden physical developments, shifting behavioral patterns, and intense emotional tides are entirely natural. Armed with this fact-based awareness, adolescents can effectively regulate their changing bodies and minds, successfully weather the temporary hormonal storm, and ultimately step forward into the world as wise, self-aware, and highly capable adults.